Hello everyone, welcome back to Ecommerce. In this video, I will show you how to add dynamically collection description to your Shopify store using Liquid Code. This method enhances your store SEO, making collection more discoverable on Google while improving your user experience. Let's get started. Before jumping into the implementation, let's quickly discuss why collection descriptions are important. It helps Google to understand your collection content, boost search ranking by incorporating relevant keywords, increase click-through rate, attracting more visitors, enhance user experience by providing clear and engaging information. Let's navigate to Shopify admin and go to collection. Select a collection and add a description that you want to display on the storefront and click save. Now let's check the storefront to see if the description is visible. If it doesn't appear, it's mean that your theme doesn't support displaying collection description or the description setting is disabled from the theme customization. Click on the online store and go to theme. Click action and select the edit code. Locate and open this section collection-template.liquid or collection.liquid. Find the collection title in the code, below it, add the following liquid code to display the description. Then click save and refresh your storefront to see the changes. If the description appears but it's not in the right place, move the code snippet to the desired section within the collection template.liquid or collection.liquid. Additionally, we have to set the condition to check if the description is blank. This ensures if the description exists, it displays. If no description is added, a default SEO friendly text will appear. After adding the complete condition, refresh your collection page again and verify the description placement. Ensure it displays correctly across the different collections. If needed, adjust the styling in the theme CSS. And that's it. Your Shopify store displaying collection description dynamically. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. See you next time.